Hi, this is DC Scrap and Rooster, my first video in my new place. Frankie's excited, and I'm excited, and we're really excited to start our new journey here. I can tell you horror stories, and I could tell you wonderful stories, but I'm going to leave that for another time. Right now, what I want to show you is a little grateful package that I put together from now until Thanksgiving. I'm going to be doing a bunch of little grateful packages just to show my appreciation to you guys, everybody that encouraged me and stood by me through this really hard couple of years of my life. I just want to show appreciation. So, like I said, I'm putting a couple little packages together, and I hope you guys like it. The new stuff is not coming in just yet because obviously you guys know COVID, and thank you, COVID. Thank you very much. The delay, the shipping, things are coming from Europe. Nothing is coming from China, so you guys don't have to worry about that. But I have stuff coming from New York because obviously that's where I got most of my stuff. I have stuff coming from Europe. A few things coming from, what's that place? I can't even think of it. It'll come to me, but it's somewhere out there. Anyway, so let me get started on this because there's so many things I want to tell you guys, but I can't do it at the moment. My time is limited. I have a delivery coming in today. Nothing great to talk about. It's just stuff that I from my storage unit here. It's coming in today. So anyway, let me show you what I have in this small package. This is a bunch of little things from that I have that I want to share with you guys that were in my store before and they're still in my store. And you can go into my Zibbit store and still place orders. So I'm just going to show you little by little. I don't even know where to start. But anyway, this is the package. That's how it comes. I have it all wrapped up. So it's just a bunch of little things. Let me start with this here, because I'm going to ramble and ramble and ramble. And I know you guys don't want to hear me ramble. Just show you the stuff and that's it, right? Okay, so I have little pieces of this. This is, they're all about 21 inches. Okay, just a little bit of everything that I have in the store and that I want to share with you guys. And these are like perfect little things for you guys to do your journal books, for your little projects. Just have a little bit of everything here. Okay, the price is wonderful. Can't complain about the price. Okay, so you get a bunch of little thin trims to work with. If you're a card maker, these are great for card makers. This is great for your traveler's notebooks. Great for your little frames. You guys know we're crafters. You know what we use all this for. Okay, that's the small thing. Then I have these here. Okay, and these are pure white. Okay, I have a little bit of my applique. Well, I have one of my appliques. Okay, that's the rose. Okay, this one here, which is one of my favorites. Okay, like I said, they're about 21 inches. Okay, so it's enough to do a little project with. Okay, I don't have many, but so if you like it, grab it, because these are the only ones I'm making. Okay, then I'm going to go into another kit. So remember these? Oh my god, I love these. So you get two of those. This one, and then this one here. Okay. Put that aside. Then you get one of these. Well, there's two in here. Okay, I'm right by the window. I had a hard time trying to figure out my lighting because this house is it's a dark house. There's no real sun coming in except for this area right here, which is upstairs in the loft. So this is where I had to try to figure out the lighting, and I think I got it. But like I said, it's a dark house, which is a little disappointing because you know, it's just a little disappointed because I'm a sun lover, so I like sun in the house. I like to wake up with the sun and go to sleep with sunset, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay, well, that's that one. And this one here. This is wide, so you got the thin, you got medium, you got Venice, you got sheer, you got wide. Okay, my favorite out of all my laces. That's one of my favorites. Then again, I have a lot of favorites, but that is one of my favorites. You got this one here. You got these here. Okay. I only have a few of these left, as many as the kits that I have. Okay, you get some resin pieces. Okay, you get two little pocketbooks, one in black, one in white. You got like a little mirror. You got a pink and white rose. You got a pink little heart and a black little pocketbook. Okay, and this one you get a bunch of pink little hearts. I think there's about 20 in here. Okay, and you got this one here. Got that one. You got this one. You have this one here. Let me tell you. That one there. Okay, you have this one here. This is pink. Pretty. You get the yellow for you pastel lovers that want to do pastel Christmas. This is perfect little kit. You get a little bit of everything. Okay, they're about 20 to 21 inches. I don't remember which one. This is baby blue. And this is the pink. Different type of pink. This is the eyelid trim pink. You get a couple little doilies. You get two of each. Two of these. You get two of these. So you have white, off-white, and a little bit of cream. You get one of these. You get one of these. Okay, then as far as the flowers, you get a black one and a white one. You get one of those pink. I have this one. It comes in a little package. It's in the store, but these come separate. You get that one here. You get two of these. Oops. And you get two of the white ones. Actually, this one here. Let's see if I could do this right. Two of those. Oops. You get two of these pinks. Okay, and you get two of these pinks. I hope the lighting's okay. Then you get these buckles, which is really cool. Out of my buttons. You get this black one. This is great for your journals, your lace books. You get a gray one, you get a black one, gray and black and black. You get a gold one, if you look. Okay, you get this one here. You get one of these. I think you get two of these. Nope, there's one. One. Then you got buttons. These are cool. And then you get two of these. Two of these. Two of these. This is from my button collection. These buttons the buckles I've sold. And these I sold. Where are these? These I've sold. Okay, pretty with pearls. And these I haven't. Okay, got these here. And you get two of these. Two of these. This one, wait, this one. Yeah, these I have this one's in smaller package, but those I haven't sold. I showed you these. Okay, then you get two of the very light pinks. Yeah, these are awesome. Those are really cool. Get two of those. You get two of these. You get two of these, the gold. You get two of the tinier ones, which are awesome. You get these. Those are mother of pearls. These here, you got pink and green. Let me see. There you go. Pink and the green. Okay, you get the blue. You get the darker pink and smaller. And then you get two of the white. So you get two of all the buttons. Okay, and last but not least, you get two of these. Okay, and this is what the package will look like, and all this wonderful goodness for $35, shipping included, shipping included. Okay, and I'll leave my email down below. It's rooster2091@gmail.com. You guys know that. I just can't find my little strip right now because, like I said, everything is, I'm unpacking. I'm doing pretty good. I think I'm on time, and hopefully I'll have everything situated and done by New Year's. I'm hoping that everything will be done and everything will be in order and in its place by New Year's. So I'm working on it. So I'm doing pretty good. I have the house pretty much in order. Frankie's room is almost done. I just have to get her a desk and her chair. My room is done. It's just a simple bed, my dresser. My armoire did not fit into my bedroom, so I have it in the kitchen. I'll show pictures later on after I'm done. So it did not fit into my bedroom. So, but it's okay. It's okay. The kitchen is done. Everything almost done. I still have stuff in storage, which is coming today. So, which is good. Saturday there's another delivery because I have a lot of stuff in storage. You know, when I moved to New York, I left a lot of stuff here in Tennessee in storage. So I was unable to do the truck thing because they only allow you the truck for a certain amount of days. It was just totally impossible. It's just myself, and you know, I have the help of Joe and one of my neighbors, Ben. Hi Ben, I know you're not watching, but hello anyway. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. And that's it. It's just, and Frankie. So I'm trying to do as much as I can, which I'm pretty good because I wake up at 6 in the morning, 5, 6 in the morning, and I don't stop until I sit down to eat. You know, and then I continue again until about 8:30, 9, and then I'm totally exhausted, and then I crash. That's the way I am until this house is put together. But anyway, like I said, I'll show pictures, and little by little I'll just keep on doing my videos. So this is the first kit. Okay, so I don't know when I'm gonna post the other kit just yet because, like I said, I'm doing things little by little. But this is the first one. Again, if you're interested, it's rooster2091@gmail.com. PayPal, obviously. I'm not taking anything other than PayPal at the moment because I'm still not situated with the post office and with the other companies. So that'll be taken care of soon, hopefully in the next month. Okay, if you have any other questions, you have my email. You guys I still have the same information. I haven't changed anything just yet. The name of my YouTube will change probably in January. But I'll keep you guys posted. Again, thank you for watching, and like I said, this is my little package of gratitude. There's a few more coming. And I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on here. Thank you for watching. Bye.